This video I am going to show you live price prediction of Cardano. But before we starting video, please click the subscribe button for latest update and also complete 3K subscriber. Then I do a giveaway of Cardano 100 Cardano coin. So this is good because I make a special video for this, but to how I give away, but just you complete 3K subscriber. So let's get start a Cardano price prediction. Okay guys, so I open it Cardano live price prediction. You can see here the Cardano graph. The last 12-hour result is here. So the current change is absolutely, you can see here, it's very bad. So you can see here the current change is minus 2.56%. Absolutely very bad, absolutely very good. And you can see here, check it out, the graph result is they are going downwards. So I hope they can starting upward, but let's check it out the last 1 hour result. This is last 2 hour result. I hope they're starting jumping. So let's see the last 1 hour result. You can see here, this is just selling time. You can see here minus 1.67%. This is absolutely, and this is this last 1 hour chain. You can see here, but if you check it out, the last price of one Cardano, this is absolutely very bad. You can see here 1.2 US dollar. Tomorrow I check it, this is 1.17, but today as 1.2. They are going downwards. So why I think this is good time for selling. This is good time for selling. I think they start down, so dump, so what we can say that. So let's take it last 2 hour result. I hope the last 2 hour result, you can see here the last 2 hour result absolutely going down. You can see here, so they the changes is absolutely very bad. You can see here, and the graph, they are going downward. So absolutely very bad. But this time you can see here the last 2 hour change is the US dollar coin. You can see here the Cardano coin price is 1.21 US dollar. Absolutely good. But and last 1 hour they are going very down. So they are come to 1.2 US dollar. So this is absolutely very bad. So let's see guys, if we check it out the last 7 days result. You can check here the last 7 days result as good. You can see here, and the graph, you can see here they are completely going down, but in a few days they are absolutely going upwards. So this is very good. You can see here, and the price is absolutely good, 1.27 US dollar. Then every time I see this result, I think I suggest it to please they cross easily 2 US dollar. But when you can see here, and the last result of 12 hour and 1 hour, this is I can't believe this result. This is absolutely very bad. So let's see this result again tomorrow. I hope they cross, they are going jumping start, they are going upward. But what we can say here, the result is going bad day by day. So let's see the next update. You just click on the subscribe button for Cardano giveaway. Just complete 3K subscriber. Let's see. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.